Do you try like weird combinations of food and all?
Are you kidding? Yeah. I was
Yeah.
known for that while growing up.
Really?
Like I used to love eating biryani.
Okay.
And I used to mix rasam with biryani. There's like laced with Maggi, laced with curd rice. There's like weird combinations that I used to do, and my dad used to love it. And he's like, my daughter is talented in food mixing now.
Okay.